This is Cool Trains of Montreal, and I got a CP train here heading westbound, just coming out of the yard lead. And it's going to be switching onto track 2 here, or track 1 rather. I thought it was going to be switching onto track 1. Maybe we'll do it later on over there. With a KCS locomotive. Yes, those KCS locomotives are getting much more prevalent here on a Saturday evening around 6:30 p.m. You get a westbound stack train. I arrived on my bus and it was waiting. Didn't have to wait long for it, maybe about 10 minutes. Enough time to stake out a place to go. There's another train, curiously enough, also. So this train will be, it'll be hooking over onto track 1 eventually. Unfortunately, the sun's in a bad spot, so if I move, point it the other way, it's gonna give it a really bad tinge. So really, the best way to get the trains now is to point and shoot towards the east, which I'm doing. And as usual here at Dorval, there is a possibility of a CN train. Yeah, stack trains here at Dorval are pretty much a daily occurrence. You can't go wrong. Here's a DPU, a CP unit, ahead of some very spotless auto racks. That is so rare. Come and get them, guys. You know you're gonna go and write on shit. Graffiti artists are gonna wet their pants tonight. There you have some mixed freight, tankers and hoppers. Good to see some Kansas City Southern in the mix now. ahead of whatever new paint scheme they decide. Oh, look at that, old ballast cars. And that's the end of the train right there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. And it does barely do give me that red flash.